ready to be done. So yeah, next up on the agenda that's going into my smoothie would be chia seeds. So I have some almond milk in here. So this is almond milk. I'm going to put the chia seeds, then my berry blend. This is going to be breakfast, and then we're going to see about lunch later. And this is breakfast. I need to add some protein powder to it, but that's about it. I have my rice cooking. This is brown basmati rice. This is a small rice cooker. I've had it for a few years. Alright, so we're just going to do some chicken. This is ghee. I cook with ghee or coconut oil only. Ghee is one of the best form of fat that you can use. So we're going to have some ghee in the pot. My chicken is already seasoned. This is chicken breast with ginger powder, a little bit of salt, lemon pepper. We like lemon pepper, pimentos, garlic. Love pimento and pimentos and onion. Love pimentos and onion. So we're going to just do 3 chicken breasts. I don't really like chicken breasts too much. I honestly prefer chicken thighs, but we couldn't get the chicken thighs this time. So I'm making tomato chicken, which is essentially just tomato paste, not tomato sauce, tomato paste. So it's a condensed version, cooked in chicken. Chicken cooked in tomato paste. Right? It tastes amazing and I like it. So it's going to be this with brown basmati rice. And this is the completed product. Brown basmati rice, which is gluten-free, chicken breast, mint tomato sauce, and lettuce. That's lunch. Bye, guys. Alright, so this is my mixture, which is salt, butter, almond flour, and water. It's not going to be the congealed consistency as the normal flour because it's almond flour. It doesn't have the gluten, which is the binding agent. This is the flour that I used, almond flour. Let's see how it goes. We got to leave this to cool because we still need to add eggs. The eggs is going to help it bind a little bit, and this is how we're going to get the puff-like sort of, because it's not flour, normal flour, puff-like consistency, which we're going to try to make some big buns to have breakfast and dinner with. Alright guys, so I think that this mixture is cool enough. So what we're going to do is add some of this. This is guar gum. Guar gum is very much like, it's a thickener. It gets kind of slimy. So remember, because this is just almond flour, we need to have it a little cold, so to speak. So first things first, we're going to start adding the egg. right, so it got to a kind of sticky consistency, which is what we want. Now, because this is not puff that we're making, but the puff like recipe, I'm just going to put it on the baking tray and put just a spoon, and then we're going to see how it comes out. This is what it looks like. Remember that this is not to be sold, so it doesn't have to be pretty. This is not normal flour, so it's not going to give you that smooth gel-like consistency. This is just almond flour and a little bit of guar gum. Let's bake it and see what happens. And while I wait for it to try to rise, I am having my snack, which is a lolly. This is the brand, and it just has these are the ingredients. As you can see, there's no malt, which is a byproduct of gluten. Xanthan gum. This is the other thing I was trying to remind you all of. See that it has guar gum? Yep. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. It's firm to the touch. I did not grease nor line the dish. So because it's firm to the touch, I can honestly say it's going to be a little crumbly, but all I need is something that will substitute my craving for bread. Right? So thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, so this is how it looks. It tastes like a puff, but a little nutty, and actually I like it. So this is some cheese, and it's very firm to the touch. When it was hot, I didn't like the taste, but cooled, it tastes really, really, really good.